This is near. This is far.
What's your business here? Oh yeah? Eh? Oh yeah? What's your business here? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you talking about? Who are you?
One, two, three.
Who are you?
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Eh? What's your business here?
I don't even know where to start with you. I mean, do you even know who you're talking to? Do you have any idea who I am? Basically, kind of a big deal. Grass grows, birds fly, sun shines, and brother, I hurt people. I'm a force of nature.